Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, especially with regular use. A portable car vacuum cleaner makes this task easy and efficient. These handy gadgets make quick work of cleaning car seats and those hard-to-reach spots, ensuring your vehicle remains fresh and hygienic. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 portable car vacuum cleaners. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Youve Clean H20. The Youve Clean H20 is a cordless vacuum known for its strong 40 air watts suction power, allowing it to clean messes in a single pass. It fully recharges in just 1 hour and provides 30 minutes of continuous cleaning. Weighing only 1.44 pounds, it's lightweight and comes with car-specific attachments including a retractable tool, extension hose, and brush head. A built-in LED light helps illuminate dark areas under seats and in crevices. Number 4. The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus features 2 powerful cyclonic airstreams for strong suction and long filter life. It includes a detachable self-cleaning pet power brush to remove hair from car interiors and the brush roll. With an extra-large dust cup, it handles large cleaning tasks easily. Weighing 2.8 pounds, it's portable and comes with a washable filter and accessories like a crevice tool and scrubbing brush for tough spots. Number 3. The Black & Decker 16V Max Dustbuster. The Black & Decker 16V Max Dustbuster offers strong lithium-powered suction and is always ready to use with a 4-hour charge time. Maintenance is easy with its washable bowl and filters. A translucent dirt bowl lets you know when it's time to empty it. It includes a pull-out crevice tool for narrow spaces and a flip-up brush for dusting and upholstery cleaning. Cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean and suction strong throughout use. The rotating nozzle facilitates cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. The Fantic V8 Mate. The Fantic V8 Mate is a cordless car vacuum with a compact design and powerful performance. It features strong suction power to effectively clean dust, debris, and pet hair from your car's interior. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle, and it comes with multiple attachments to reach various areas of your vehicle. The vacuum also boasts a long battery life, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Number 1. The Bissell AeroSlim. The Bissell AeroSlim is a cordless handheld vacuum that combines convenience with performance. It features a sleek design and is equipped with a lithium-ion battery, providing up to 12 minutes of cleaning power. The vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. Its compact size allows for easy storage in your car or home, ensuring it's always within reach for quick cleanups. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.